Yo, look, marijuana burning, drug game mine. Yo, look, I'm the fucking baddest bitch in the rap game. Got plenty of haters. Damn, they ain't nothing but motivators. I can twerk it on a pole, I can twerk it on a pole. Marijuana burning, drug game mine. Yo, look, I'm the fucking baddest bitch in the rap game. I'm colder than a penguin. Bitches weak, I'm a gangster girl. Everybody salute me, yo, yo, yo. Second that play, don't forget you. I'd rather be dope, marijuana burning, drug game mine. You look, I'm the fucking baddest bitch in the rap game. Motherfuckers don't know me. I'm the realest in this fucking world. Motherfuckers hate on me. I don't give a shit. I got a gold crown. Motherfuckers know. You test me, you're gonna blast me. I don't give a shit about you haters trying to talk shit, 'cause you ain't nothing. I got 13 bricks on the squad. Motherfuckers know I'm the illest in this fucking gang shit. Motherfuckers know I'm the realest in the fucking, you know me, a real OG. Marijuana burning, drug game mine. Yo, look, I'm the fucking baddest bitch in the rap game. Marijuana burning, drug game mine. Yo, look, I'm the fucking baddest bitch in the rap game.